Let me set the record straight for everybody who got the North Siders of Chicago twisted. Yeah, we might talk proper sometimes. We may not spam slang like Shawty from the West Side or Foe from the South or Gang and Blood over East. But here's the thing. We don't have to sound like y'all to prove that we're from the Chi. Our lane is different. And our lane is solid. A lot of us came from out of Cabrini-Green, 1230 North Larrabee to be exact. If you know, you know. We learned early that you don't have to be a product of your environment. Talking proper and getting an education and moving different doesn't mean we forgot where we came from. It just means that we know how to blend in wherever we need to and wherever we have to. And let's be clear, when a North Sider is explaining something, we hit you with the woo-wop the bam too. That terminology is not exclusive to out south, out west, or over east. Our diversity just means that we could switch lanes depending on whatever room that we're in. And don't get it confused. Just because we don't rah-rah like out south, out west, or over east, doesn't mean that outsiders could slide in through the north side and think it's sweet. We're not loud about what we do. So never get it twisted. We just move different. See, here's the part that most people overlook. The north side is full of doctors, lawyers, nurse practitioners, police officers, entrepreneurs, or even teachers, and the like. And that's exactly why you can't box us in. Because we might be the ones stitching you up, or defending you in court, bailing you out, or even pulling you over. Either way, you gon' see us. Northsiders, we choose our battles carefully. We don't always react. We don't always announce ourselves. That don't mean we weak. That means we're calculated. We remember everything you say and do. And because we don't broadcast our every move, you'll never see us coming when it counts. So never mistake a North Sider from Chicago, their kindness for weakness. Don't confuse our generosity with being gullible. North Siders are about that life. We just don't have to scream to prove it. At the end of the day, whether you're from the north, south, west, or over east, the Chi runs through all of our blood, and that's what makes us who we really are. Yep, I said it.